Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I wanted to quickly go over what I installed on my Sur Ron Light BX to make it more accommodating for someone my size and height. I'm 6'4" tall, 230 pounds, and as you're probably aware, if you are thinking about getting one of these or you currently own one, they are a smaller framed electric dirt bike, smaller wheels, and stock, the thing was just too small for me. I felt like I was like in the circus riding this thing. And as you're probably also aware, these things haul ass. I'm already installing a new battery, motor, and a controller, and I'm gonna be pushing like 19 kilowatts. And I wanted to first make sure this thing fit me well and I felt safe riding it before I'm pushing that kind of power. So I just want to quickly go over the 5 things, I think 4 or 5 things that I installed that make it just more of a big, larger adult framed dirt bike. So the first thing I got are larger wheels. I got a 21-inch wheel in the front, 18-inch wheel in the back. That made a huge difference. Next thing is this gold piece right here, which is an S-link. It's part of the suspension. Not only does this one stronger, but it also raises it up about 3/4 of an inch. All right, next I installed riser handlebars. These are 4 3/4 inch handlebars. Just brings everything up a lot more so I don't have to hunch over quite as much when I'm riding. Now the handlebars are attached to a riser stem, I believe they're called. I got a 2.5 inch, which brings up the handlebars 2.5 inches even more. All right, I wanted to save the best for last. This plate right here and this plate right here. It's called the XL kit from a company called Shiva Racing out of Russia. I believe the company or the website is surronshop.com. But it moves the seat back and up, as well as the entire swing arm and suspension and everything back as well. So it just makes the wheelbase about 2 or 3 inches longer. Also moves the pegs down and back. There's actually 2 mounting holes for the pegs, depending on where you want to mount those. Was a little bit of a pain to install. I had to have my buddy come over and help. Definitely a 2-man job, but just makes the bike longer and bigger for an adult rider. Well everybody, I hope this video helped you on what I installed to make this bike more of an adult bike. I think, you know, the wheels were about $1,200 for the wheels and tires. The XL kit was about $1,100. Handlebars I think were $150. Watch out, Murph. He likes to be on the camera. And then the riser was like, I think 80 bucks. So you're looking at probably $3,000, $3,300 to add all these things onto your bike. But if you're a big guy like me, highly recommend it.